In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a project tracker in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible tracker you can update and sort in seconds. Start by opening Google Sheets in your desktop browser and creating a new blank spreadsheet. In the first row, set up your headers: task, owner, status, start date, and due date. These labels make it easy to understand what each column is for, and they'll help when we add drop-downs, formatting, and filters. If your columns feel cramped, drag the edges to resize them so everything is readable. Now, begin entering your project tasks, one task per row under the task column. In the owner column, type who's responsible for the work. For start date and due date, use real dates so we can apply smart formatting later. If you prefer a consistent look, format those columns as dates from the Format menu, which helps Sheets sort and compare them correctly. Let's make the status column easy to update. Highlight the status column, go to the Data menu, and choose Drop-down. Add clear options like Not Started, In Progress, Blocked, and Completed. You can assign colors to each option here as well, which makes your tracker more visual at a glance. Click Done, and now every cell in that column becomes a tap-friendly drop-down. To highlight progress automatically, apply conditional formatting. Select the status column, open the Format menu, and choose Conditional Formatting. Add a rule so cells that say Completed turn green, In Progress turns yellow, and Blocked turns red. Then select the Due Date column and add rules there too. For example, format cells red if the date is before today to flag overdue tasks, and orange if the date is within the next few days to signal urgency. These visual cues help you spot what needs attention without reading every line. Finally, use filters to sort and track tasks easily. Click the Data menu and choose Create a Filter. Small filter icons appear on your header cells. Use them to filter status to show only in progress or blocked, or sort due date from earliest to latest, so deadlines rise to the top. You can also filter by owner to focus on a single person's workload. That's it. Keep the tracker current by updating status as work moves forward and adjusting dates if plans change. With drop-downs, helpful colors, and quick filters, your Google Sheets project tracker stays clear, actionable, and ready for real-world use.